Feeling a little art craft crazy? Hi, I'm Donna from Art Craft Crazy, and this is our first 2-minute Tuesday. It's when I show you how to do a quick 2-minute craft or a tip. So today we're going to do a pillbox organizer, now craft organizer. So first off, I'll show you the isopropyl alcohol, and I just spray a bit directly onto the lid of the where the print is on the pillbox. I'll use a soft cloth and just rub at it. This one is a nail polish, and it's, what's this one? It contains acetone, but it's still got no smell. This one works really well, it just comes straight off. This one is the acetone free. The nail polish remover works the best, either the acetone free or the one with the acetone in it. And they're both, no brand. I don't buy the expensive brands, and they both work fantastic. Works really well on the big print. Comes straight off. Some of the prints seem to have held on to the plastic a little better than others. I don't know why that is, whether they heat set it or they put something in. 2 minutes are up. Doesn't this look much better? So I can recycle these now. These were Mum's. She gave me 4 of them, and they're very useful. The plastic is very hard and strong. So now I've got some small containers to put some very tiny little beads in, or some beads where I've just got 1 or 2 items. I'm Donna from Art Craft Crazy. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.